In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct matching pair. For this, we are avoiding the wrong option to specify the correct option. Why we are avoiding option A? Why? Because a tendon is not a specialized connective tissue. Why we are avoiding option B? Why? Because adipose tissue is not a dense connective tissue. Why we are avoiding option D? Because cartilaginous tissue is not a loose connective tissue. So we avoid option A, B and D. And why we are choosing option C as the correct answer? Why? Because area tissue is a loose connective tissue having macrophage fibroblast in it. Why it required macrophage? To remove the microorganism. Why it required fibroblasts? Why? Because it is required to make the various quality and quantity of the fiber. Why it required mast cell? Why? Because to make the histamine to alarm the allergic condition. With this specification, we choose an option C as the correct answer. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? Again, back we are giving us a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. Dense regular connective tissue makes a tendon. One kind of loose connective tissue that is mostly found beneath the cell is called adipose tissue. One kind of specialized connective tissue is called the cartilaginous tissue. With this specification, we are choosing option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.